Hi everyone, it's Star. I feel like it's been so long since I showed my face and I was talking here onto the camera. It's been a while. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. If you're new, please like the video if you like it and subscribe because I would love for you to stop by and see me again. So yeah, in this video I will share with you kind of like where I've been. And I've been just here, macking, chilling, doing what I do, you know, eating good, eating healthy, eating fresh, eating yummy salads and produce from the Whole Foods market. I've been transitioning over my channel to a holistic lifestyle, plant-based foods, and non-toxic living because that's something that I have been incorporating in my life as of last year, 2017, and I thought I got a good handle of like certain items and foods that I have been eating, so I wanted to bring that to my channel because as I searched through YouTube and seen other food videos and other people embracing their life and making a holistic lifestyle better for them, I haven't seen much people like myself doing it, so I just wanted to come onto here and say that we can do it and everyone is entitled to make their own choices, and I decided to incorporate a lot of healthy options into my lifestyle and I wanted to share this journey with you. So with that being said, I hope I did not bore you with some of the meals that I decided to distribute on my channel so far, and if you guys are enjoying the new content, please leave me a comment and like this video so that way I know that you're interested in food and you're interested in non-toxic items such as skincare. And I don't really wear makeup anymore because I realized that I've been buying loads and loads of makeup, and I realized I don't go anywhere or I don't really use it or I just get tired of it. But don't get me wrong, I am looking into some organic, 100% natural, chemical-free makeup that I will probably be incorporating on my channel. But in this video, it's about me coming to you to tell you that if you think that you can't give up cheese, girl, you can give up cheese, because I did. And I thought I couldn't do, I just thought I could not do this. Don't get me wrong. I have my episodes of like chopping down on some nachos with the queso and the jalapenos and the beans, and girl, loaded nachos was my thing. But now I don't even care for it. Unless I have like a vegan cheese, then that way I'll have it. And it was very hard at the beginning, I'm not gonna front. But now I feel good and I'm making my own vegan mac and cheese. So this is what this video is about, to share. Okay, let's get started, shall we? I decided to use 2 potatoes this time. The first time I did this, I only used 1 potato, but I decided to do the whole box this time. So you want to cut the potato in small pieces. And after you cut the potato, you're going to get an onion of your choice. I decided to use this white, yellow, sweet onion, and it have a different taste than the regular like Spanish onion that's kind of like tannish, I guess, this skin when you think of it. And you just chop up some of the onion and make sure that you separate them, and you can leave it in big chunks because we're going to boil it a little bit anyway. So this is a good amount to use. I also use some of the shallot onion, and I like that one because it's a mix between the white and purple or red onion, as people may call it, and it got a different taste to me, so I like to combine both of it just to give it flavor. I already entered the potato into the boiling water. Now you want to have some carrots in there and throw in your onions and give that maybe about 15 to 20 minutes to like steep together. You don't want to like overboil it because then everything will get too soggy, but we just want it to be infused with all the fragrance of the onions, the potatoes, and the carrot. And as you can see on the side here, I'm also boiling the macaroni, and I already had that. Just follow the box, the instructions, boil the macaroni till you get that tender softness as you want. I don't like it to be too soggy, so here you have it. You want to rinse it out and just let it cool for a tad bit. And then here's the veggies. They soaked up all the goodness, and you want to make sure that you let it cool. Do not be like me. It was late at night and I was starving, so I kind of like rushed to like put it in the blender. but I did let it cool a little bit, but I don't know, watching the video again, it looks like it's smoking crazy, but it's alright because everything just mixed up well in the blender. Then you want to make sure that you get your seasonings, and nutritional yeast is the icing on the cake to this mac and cheese because it has like that cheesy flavor. It would never be like cow cheese, but it does give it a good cheese flavor. Toss some sweet paprika in there as well. Black pepper. And mustard, because when you're making anything cheesy, mustard will add like that sour, sweet type of taste to it. Blend that all up. So you want to make sure you get back over to your macaroni on the stove and prepare to enter in your mix. And it looks so yummy. Ooh, I want to eat this macaroni again, you guys. I love mac and cheese, and this is a healthier alternative. Why? Because it's kind of like a veggie mac. It shouldn't be called mac and cheese because it's not technically cheese. Well, I did put some of the Daya cheese, but that's also an alternative. So I show you that here, and I like to get this from Whole Foods. I'm not sure what else they sell it at, but this is the cheddar Daya brand of cheese, and I just cut that up into like little cube sizes, and I let it melt just a tad bit on the stove because I didn't want to overcook the macaroni. Now I just added the macaroni into the pan, and those little dots are gluten-free breadcrumbs, and I thought it was going to make a difference, but it really didn't make a difference. So I just added it on top after I spread the macaroni over, just to give it like a little bit of crunch and like that crunchy comfort mac and cheese type of thing. And I also like to add some paprika on it just for color. And yeah, so there you have it. You put it in the oven maybe for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it gets crunchy on the top, and you serve it to however much you want to have. I decided to just pair it with some arugula and cucumber salad with maybe an avocado vinaigrette dressing because that's my favorite. And I hope you guys have a blessed morning, day, or evening, whatever time of day you are watching this. And remember to stay true to yourself. Be you, be beautiful, and be bold. And do not let your fears conquer you, because at the end of the day, you can break free. Go ahead, honey. Go ahead, hunty. Break free. I'm not a singer, but it's okay. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope to see you in the comments. Bye, loves. Mwah. Tinkle.